Oh my god, guys, it's 6:16. It's completely dark, and I'm finally going on a boat ride in the evening. And I'm going to be staying in a floating homestay alone by myself. Hello. Okay. Neither can you guys see anything, nor can I. It's so dark, there are no stars, it's very cloudy. I'm just trying to make a rough picture for you. You saw it in the morning, and now you're seeing it at night. Those white lights that you're seeing are coming from the hills, and there's vegetation here. Can you see? Yes, thoda sa you can see. Maipakchao sir is rowing the boat. He's sitting behind me. Yep, it's very interesting. I think this is food that they are carrying to cook for dinner. That is where we're supposed to go. That boat ride was everything. I've done that only one time before in Borneo when I was staying there for a month, and oh my god, the thrill, the breeze, the silence, it gives you goosebumps. My place for the night. How this homestay is actually floating is with the use of all with empty plastic drums, big drums that are used to store water or other things right underneath this, the whole thing. Every single time I'm walking, the place moves a little. Okay. So I'm at the top right now. Can you hear the wind? I can see the panoramic view of the place. I'm gonna show it to you in the morning. One day I will have a camera that does well in low light, but अभी के लिए तुमको imagine करना पड़ेगा. We are eating shrimp tonight. Okay. You. Okay.
What we call kazing.
They jump so much. Oh. Okay. God. No. Oh, fresh. Oh, God.
They go star.
Yeah. This is just shrimp with salt. They're fried and they put some salt on top of them. Crunchy 101. So nice. How do we say good meal in Manipuri?
Haurani.
Haurani.
Haunasarsi.
Haurasarsi. We have rice, we have fried shrimp, we have some chole, we have some simple cooked piyaz and beans ka sabzi in water, and this is fish curry. Chicken. Thank you, auntie. Genius, auntie.
Welcome.
Bye bye. Guess who's all alone in the middle of a lake today? The only regret I have is that I did not get a hammock or a book to read. So I'm just gonna go work on a vlog. There are no stars to watch tonight because of the cloudy weather. Thankfully, I'll have electricity all night whenever I need it because solar panels all over the place. And yes, had such an amazing dinner. And now on to my room for the night. Where is the light? Where is the light? The switch. You'll keep hearing this sound because नीचे drums हैं जो हर बार हिलते हैं when I move. Because this is floating. One light, two light. Okay, I'll figure it out. Okay. Dessert. Oh, did I tell you guys what happened? I am getting the money back. So my relationship manager from ICICI got in touch with that guy who I wrongly sent the money to, and he put me on a conference call with him. फिर मैंने उससे बात करी and he said, yeah, don't worry, I'll return the money to you. I've been trying to find you as well. And I was like, oh my god. उसने अभी तक ट्रांसफ़र नहीं करा है क्योंकि उसका ट्रांजैक्शन लिमिट आज के लिए ख़त्म हो गया था, पर अभी 9:40 हो रहे हैं और उसने बोला कि वो 12 बजे के बाद जब नया दिन शुरू हो जाएगा तब ट्राई करेगा. बट लेट्स सी. There was some sort of sound right now. I don't know what it was. It was creepy. Good morning, people. Oh, wow. Oh, nice. The sun is out and it's full glowy today. This is where I slept. Oh my god. So this is the circle that I'm in. Then there's another circle there. There's another circle there. There's another circle there. And so on. So everybody has ownership over their circles. What they've essentially done is they take the biomass, they take the roots and put them in a circle. Look at the entrance of the circle. There is a small gap that they've left so that the boat can come. And look at how glassy, just how glassy the sky is. It's 6 in the morning and Maipakchao sir and his wife have come back for breakfast. And these are the fisheries that I was talking to you about. This is where Maipakchao sir is going to have different kinds of fish that people can choose from and just fish and cook. मैंने ऑनेस्टली सुबह 5:30 का अलार्म लगाया था बट रात भर थोड़ी बहुत इधर उधर साउंड्स आती रही तो मैं बार बार उठ के देख रही थी क्या हो रहा है. इतना ज़्यादा नहीं पर थोड़ा बहुत हुआ. सो आई वोक अप एट 6:20 एंड वो 5:30 to 6:20 के बीच का टाइम था जब सारे फिशरमैन मुझे दिखते इधर उधर जाते हुए. अभी भी हैं पर दूर हैं. बट आई हियर इन माई viewpoint, personal viewpoint. तो बेसिकली क्या होता है कि जैसे जैसे पानी में टॉक्सिन्स, केमिकल्स, गंद बढ़ता है वैसे वैसे बायोमास को और यू बेसिकली कंट्रीब्यूटिंग टू इट्स ग्रोथ. बायोमास और ग्रो होता है. तो जैसे जैसे बायोमास और उसकी रूट्स पूरे वाटर में स्प्रेड होती जाएंगी फ़िश ख़त्म हो जाएगी. तो ऑब्वियसली दीज पीपल डिपेंड ऑन फिश. इट्स देयर लाइवलीहुड. दे सेंड द फिश टू इम्फाल, दे सेंड द फिश टू मोइरांग, दे ईट दैट फिश ऑल्सो. सो दैट्स व्हाई दे आर वेरी पर्टिकुलर अबाउट द थिंग्स दे डू इन दिस एरिया. एंड it's a fully, I mean, obviously it has changed over the last couple of years because of the introduction of plastic in the village, but they're taking very good care of it. Also, I asked my Pakchao sir last night as to what happens to our poop and pee when we are, using the toilet at the floating homestay. तो उन्होंने बोला कि पीछे उनके पास 1.5 liters के septic tanks हैं. They separate the dry mass, the solid mass and the urine. And हर कुछ दिनों में वो फिल्टर होके क्लीन होता रहता है and then only it gets out in the water because उसके बिना तो there'll be no fish and there'll only be excreta which we don't want. So the advantage of staying with my Maipakchao sir is कि वो सारे इस एरिया में इको टूरिज़म और रिस्पॉन्सिबल टूरिज़म के डिसीजंस लेते हैं. सो ही इज़ ऑल्सो लुकिंग आफ्टर हाउ अदर पीपल आर गोइंग टू बी मेकिंग देयर होम स्टेज. वहाँ पे भी यही सेम फैसिलिटीज़ होनी चाहिए. एक सोलर पैनल होना चाहिए, सेप्टिक टैंक होना चाहिए, ट्रैश कलेक्शन सारा वापस थांगा में ही जाएगा. यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं ट्रैश होएगा. इफ़ यू हैव सीन यहाँ पे लिटरली एक भी पीस प्लास्टिक मेरे को कहीं फ्लोट अबाउट करते हुए नहीं दिख रहा है. सो पीपल एक्चुअली नो कि उनकी लाइवलीहुड है. दे हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ इट एंड विच इज़ वाई दे आर वेरी 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 विजिलेंट व्हेन इट कम्स टू taking care of the pollution, plastic pollution especially. Today morning I have a boiled egg, a donut, an apple and some jam and bread. Breakfast is served. So that's how the placement of the drums is below the surface of the homestay. Look at that.
So,
Those are the iron.
like the only difference between is like the distance between the barrel.
Yeah.
Here I think the same number of barrel that used in the same these two different places.
Yeah, but this is like spread out, and this is in the homestay is in a contained area. Just one last thing. The registration of the guest. Oh, come on. Okay, I think it's time to leave. This was a beautiful experience. And I'm just packing up now, and Sabha is going to row me back to the village. Every single time you're traveling alone, and especially alone, take out time for yourself to do something like this, you know. It really helps you get out of things that you think have been bugging you for a while. Travel is for your personal growth. It's for you to feel better. It's for you to be more open-hearted, open-minded. So take that into account and indulge in an activity or two that you know will make you feel like you are challenging yourself. Guys, I'm so lucky. I've just gotten to know that the national park that's in the place, that's also something that I came for, is going to reopen tomorrow after COVID, like tomorrow, the 1st of April. And day after tomorrow, that is the 2nd of April, is the Manipuri New Year. Wow! So cool! I will be here for that. The accommodation for 2 nights is 2400 rupees, which is 1200 rupees per night with 3 meals, and the boating cost 600 rupees. The boating was done 3 times actually, yesterday morning, yesterday at night, and then today in the morning, but it cost me only 600 rupees. So overall I'm paying 3000 rupees here, and I would recommend you come here and you spend this money as well, because they're so caring and they know what to get done and how to get it done. And the food auntie cooks is just amazing, like, and it's vegetarian friendly and non-vegetarian friendly. So yeah, this place is like a full thumbs up from my side. Do come here when you're visiting Loktak. Maipakchao Homestay. I will also mention the number in the description, so take it from there. All my bags are packed, I'm ready to go. This was the first homestay I was staying at after 2 years of the pandemic. It was so nice. They were so kind to me, and they made me feel right at home. So if you're here, I would really suggest you to come and stay at Maipakchao Homestay. Thank you for watching, guys. I'm going somewhere else today, and I'll take you along. But that's for the next vlog. Bye.